Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on a linguistic journey to learn 80 essential Arabic words for places. This is perfect for beginners or anyone planning a trip to an Arabic-speaking country. Are you ready? Let's get started. First up, the basics. City is Medina. Village is Qarya. Country is Balad. State is Wilad. And the world is Alam. Simple, right? Now let's talk about buildings. A house is Beit. An apartment is Sheikha. A building is Binaya. A palace is Kaza. And a castle is Kala. For places you visit often, school is Mab. University is Jamia. Library is Maktaba. Hospital is Mus. And the clinic is Siada. When you're out and about, you'll need these. A market is Souk. A shop is Mahal. A restaurant is Mat. A cafe is Makkah. A hotel. Let's move on to transportation hubs. Airport is Madar. Train station is Mahatat Kidder. Bus station is Mahatat Hafilaport. Port is Mina, and a street is Shari. For some fun and relaxation, a park is Hadika. A garden is Bustan. The beach is Shati. A museum is A cinema is Cinema. Inside a city you'll find a square, which is Medan. A bridge is Geyser. A tower is Burj. A fountain is Naf. And a wall is Sir. Let's explore some nature. A mountain is Jabal. A hill is Tol. A river is Nar. A lake is Buha. A sea is Bear. And 4 vast landscapes. The desert is Sara. A forest is Gaba. An island is Jasir. A valley is Swadi. An oasis is Waha. Now for some specific places. A bakery is Makbaz. A pharmacy is Sedalia. A bank is Bank. A post office is Maktabul Barrett. A police station is Markaz. Let's learn some more useful spots. A mosque is A church is Kanisa. A temple is Imbad. A factory is An office is Maktab. When you're looking for specific services, a barbershop is Salon Hilaka. A hair salon is Salon Taj. A gym is Nadi. Riyadi. A stadia is Malab. A playground is Malab. Otifal. Here are a few more to round out your vocabulary. A farm is Mazra. A zoo is Hadakat Hayawanat. A parking lot is Mokef. A gas station is Mahatat Wahud. A border is Hudid. Let's cover some general locations. The entrance is Matkal. The exit is The center is Markas. The corner is Zavia. And the area is Mentaka. Inside a building, a room is Gurfa. A kitchen is Matbak. A bathroom is Hammam. A hall is Ska. And a floor or level is Tabik. Finally, some directional words that are super helpful. North is Shamal. South is Janab. East is Shark. West is Garb. Erisuna and Erisunak. Wow, that was 80 words. You did an amazing job. Practice these words, and you'll be navigating Arabic-speaking places like a pro in no time. Don't forget to rewatch this video to help them stick. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more language lessons. See you in the next video.